Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, so here comparing f of x and g of x. So we can say that gx is fx shifted up by 2 units. So we can write gx as transformation of f of x, where g of x is f of x plus 2. Now comparing f of x and h of x. So here h of x is fx reflected over x-axis. So writing minus f of x. So here we have the transformations. This is thank you.